Hello, trail villagers. Welcome back once again. My name is Sanjay Pandey. Today, I am going to talk about what is a tool field and how we can achieve in RCA. We'll talk about a little bit twin field in the Salesforce CPQ versus in Revenue Cloud Advanced. Then second points, I'll show you what are the steps to create a twin field in RCA, and I have written in the slide, you can follow it. Later I'll show you how to replicate from one field to the another field by creating a twin field in RCA. So let's move to the next screen. Twin field in the Salesforce CPQ and Revenue Cloud Advanced. So if you already work in a Salesforce CPQ, you know already what is the twin fields and what are the objects available to create a twin field. So Salesforce CPQ has a limitation on the objects where some of the objects you are able to create a twin fields and uh, help copy values between some certain objects one to another. So this is how the in the Salesforce CPQ twin field works. In the Revenue Cloud Advanced, there is no limitation in any of the objects, right? And it replaces with a more flexible and transparent method, right? And configured through the context definition. There is no limitation through the context definition. You can map just point to click method the fields and populate the values from source object field to the target object field. Let's move to the steps. So I have written very clean and clear. Just you have to follow the steps and you are able to create a twin field in the RCA. So first of all, you have to choose a source object and target object where you can create a custom fields. So I have chosen here a quote is the source object and target is the order objects. So I have created on both places deal summary with a string type field. Second point is a very important. Please keep in mind. Before going to modify the context definition, you have to check in your system what is the context definition default set. How you are going to check it? Go to the app launcher, price management, home tab, pricing procedure, and there is a custom revenue management default pricing procedure. I click on it and you can see the context definition, and that context definition you can able to find under the custom definition tab under setup. So we'll show you. You can continue to step follow it. It's a very clear. You can able to follow the steps and create a twin. So this is clear. So now I am going to show you in the Salesforce. So I told you I have already created a deal summary field on the order object. This is the target. If you see, this is the deal summary quote. I have also created on the quote. So if you see deal summary, string type. So this is the first. Second step, go to the pricing management app launcher. There you see pricing procedure. You have to click on it. And while you clicked, This is the customer, right? Open it, and you see this is the context definition. So now you can go under the setup, search the context definition, uh, and under the custom definition you can find context definition set, this one. So here you can see pricing transaction set, click on it and edit it. Next, next, this is one of the more important. So basically your transaction data like quote, quote line item, order, order line item, right? So sales, under the sales and transaction node you can find the quote and order. Under the sales transaction item you can find the quote line item and order line item. Okay. So what I already said where I have created on the quote level and order level. So if you see, you have to click on the add attribute and put the deal summary field. I already mentioned in the PPT, you can follow it. And data type is the input output. Data type is the std. Put the deal summary. That's it. And click on the next button. Again here, open the sales transaction node. Under the sales transaction node, while you scroll down, you can find here the plus icon that is add tag. Where if you click on the add tag button, it will show you to put the tag name here. So I have put the deal summary and click on the done button and save it. So let's save it. This is done. Now go to the map data tab where you have to do the modification under the quote entities mapping. So click on edit a subject mapping. Nothing you can change here, just click on the map button. It will redirect to the, so what will show you if you are going to do the first time, the field will show under the unmapped node under the sales transaction. So you can find here the sales transaction. So this is the sales transaction node and this is the mapped one. So if you see, I already mapped the deal summary. That's why it is showing under the deal summary with the quote object, right? See. So if you are going to do the first time, it will show automatically under the unmapped. So you have to expand it and you can find here. So what, how you are going to map it? Click on the field and this side you have to check quote under the unmapped and just click on it, right? See, you can able to map it. So just click in, it will automatically map it and save it. So this is done. Second, you have to check the order entities mapping. You do the same activity, go to the map where you can see the sales transaction node. Under that unmapped section, so go to the sales transaction node. Under the unmapped section you can able to see your field 1 and then here this side you can see the order object. So you can find the order object. Where is it? This is the order object. So if you are going to do the first time mapping, so your field will show under the unmapped, right? Just map it, click there, and map this set like that. Click on it. So it will map automatically, and then save it. So this is your steps done. Hope this will clear. Now I will show you how you are going to replicate the values. So on the code I already created, right? And this is the deal summary. I put the value. So let me change it something. Salesforce pathways and save it. So this is the code. So I already created the order, but let me delete it. Then I will create a once again. So order deleted now. You know. So after that, you see the field values. This is the one, and I am going to create a order. So whatever the field values here will automatically populate on the order object in a deal summary. So let me create it. Right. Refresh this page. So this order got created. Now open it and see the values is populated or not. See, this got populated. So this is how you are able to achieve a twin field concept in the RCA. Thank you so much. If still you have any questions, drop in a comments for our attention. And this video is useful. Please like the video and subscribe our video channel. Thank you. We'll